Tribal start favorite niya, Boogie Bullish Martin Wiz. Alright. Hiram lagi. Trying to get, I don't know ba? But I already got shotgun, so what should I get? Yeah. Should I like get the flare? What? I'm gonna get the shorty if I can. Which is actually in one task. Like what? There's 2 tasks. You already get 5. Which is actually the task are pretty easy. Like just kill 10 people, 15 people, or just 5 people. And then like win some things, win duels, play duels, and some sort of that things. Look at this. This is going to be arena because this is a scam. Yep. Good. Alright, Boogie Bullish Martin Wiz. But my team sucks like a dog. Look at that. Okay, duels. Eliminations. Automatic shotgun. Yes sir. Woohoo! That's too easy, bro. That's too easy. I forgot to go in third person. Oh wait, no, it's first. My favorite is in this game. First person. No. You ain't speaking back. Jit, nope, I'm done. I'm done with the shotgun ba. Shotgun is actually pretty good, but I don't know. But I just suck at it. Yes sir, going in the RPG. Oh my god. Stupid. This is stupid, bro. You ain't catching me with no dick. You ain't catching me with no dick, bro. You ain't catching me with no dick. Lagyan na rip na rip. Ba, I saw you, dog. Look, I saw you, dog. Dog. English for me, bro. W win. Oh, sorry. Dude, it's in front of you. What is you doing, bro? Okay, good. This one shot. He is so one shot. There you go. He's on 3. He's on 3 heart, bro. Oh my god, what a clutch moment, bro. What a clutch. Time to eliminate some people with my chainsaw. Oh my god, bro. Dude, I'm lagging, dude. I think it's because my update is... Dude, I'm lagging. Let's eliminate rin. Dude, this coin you get. GG. On the spot. I just need 2 more. I just need what? 7 more things or 7 more things to get for the Oh my god. I got a skin for merchant. So, oh my god. I know with this big crack. Oh my god. There's three cracks on my phone, Jit. My god. If they pick back rooms, people are so cooked. No. Okay. My best bet on arena is RP.